Hi beautiful, and welcome back to another video. Welcome to this bridal makeup tutorial. How are you doing today? Okay, so first things first, we're going to cleanse the skin. Okay, I have my beautiful model right here, and before I even get into any other step, I want to say thank you for 2,000 YouTube subscribers, over 2,000 now, Seth. So thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much, it means a lot to me. So I went in with the Blossom Niacinamide serum, and I can tell you that it's a good product. It smells really nice. It has this sweet smell to it, like a bubble gum smell. Okay, so I'm just going to use that and hydrate the skin further. Okay, I'm really thankful for my growth. I'm thankful for it all. Thank you so much for being with me, and thank you, Jesus. So I did go in with a vitamin serum for further hydration, and okay, to just hydrate the skin. So next I'm going in with the Blossom moisturizer, the Moist Essence. This is my favorite moisturizer, so I'm going to use that to moisturize the skin. So as I was saying, I'm very thankful for growth. I'm thankful for God. I'm thankful for everything. Thank you so much. I'm using the Velvet Blur primer. I found out that using this primer is better than using a mattifying primer. A mattifying primer just ruins my look, okay, because when you apply it, it just dries out the skin. All the whole skin prep that I've done, it just dries it out. So I'm only using mattifying primer, this one, on the eyebrows literally, and the makeup holds, I'm telling you. So after that is done, I'm going to lock it in with the Carite spray. For foundation, I mix the Blossom foundation, Adventure foundation together to be able to get her perfect shade. Okay, yes, so I'm just going to blend that out and make sure it blends. The Blossom foundation comes in this liquid form, but it dries down pretty quickly. So you have to, if you're getting the foundation, you have to work really fast and work in sections, because it dries down very quickly. Okay, please, if you have not yet, kindly subscribe to this channel for more beauty tutorials like this, and I throw in a few vlogs here and there, but it's not constant. My theme is makeup, okay, for now. Yes, so I'm applying the CPD blush on the high point of her cheek first, and I'm just going to blend that in. I love how this orange shade looks so good on her skin tone, and the blush is pigmented, okay, very affordable and pigmented. For concealer, I'm using the Adventure concealer, and I'm just going to put that at the high point of her face. Then I went in with the Blossom concealer. I don't know if I show that here. Yes, but that's the concealer that I went in with. So I am going to be using my brush to blend out the concealer. And for the harsh lines, I just went in with the beauty sponge that I used for the blush. I used that to cover the lines so that there are no harsh lines. So afterwards, I'm going to set the under eye, and as you can see how smooth this under eye is looking. Okay, so smooth. So I'm going to basically be setting all the areas that I highlighted first. Okay, I want to lock that in and make sure there are no creasing or harsh lines. So afterwards, I'm going to use powder to set the rest of the face and make sure I pat that in gently. Now for nose contour, I'm using this brush. I'm using is my MSQ brush, and I'm going to use, I used first a darker shade of powder at the beginning point of the brows. Then I went in with a lighter shade of powder when I was coming down the nose. So this is me. I just quickly did the brows off camera because I have a brow tutorial. Okay, so for eyeshadow, I went in with my Flawless Ivy eyeshadow base. That is the one I went in with. I used a brown shade first as my transition. Then I went in with a very nude pinkish shade at the beginning of the eyeshadow. Then I went in with this like a powder shade. Okay, then I went in with this black to serve as an eyeliner type of. So I'm just winging that in, and I'm also blending it into the nude shade, okay, on the cut crease region. Okay, so next thing I did, I went in with a shimmer, okay, just on that places that I cut the crease. Then I went in with this glitter, and I made sure to pat. I'm just realizing that I do not have plenty glitters for bridal, so I only could get this pink shade, but I still made it work. Okay, so I went in with that deep brown shade to cover the harsh lines. I applied the black liner, just black liner under the eye, and now I'm just going to line the lips. Of course, I'm doing a very nude lip. That it's a bridal look, so I'm doing a very nude lip. Then I'm going to go in with a nude shade first. I'm going to blend the lips. Okay, afterwards I'm going to go in with the white, a bit of white slash pinkish look. I'm going to put that there. Yes, so I'm going to make sure I blend that thoroughly. And as you can see, the look is coming, it's being put together. Okay, so make sure to blend. I'm a gloss bitch, I like to add gloss on everything. So I'm going to apply gloss. Yes, please, if you're enjoying this tutorial so far, please give me a big thumbs up. Let me know what you'd like to see and comment on the channel. Next, I'm going to go and dust off the excess powder under the eye. Make sure it's smooth and well blended. Alright, so I'm just going to let you watch that. Okay, so I'm dusting off the excess powder. Next, I'm going in with the Carite setting spray, and I'm just going to spray down the face to tone down all the powdery look and all of that. Now to the bad boy of the show, not bad boy, but like the main review is this Blossom Grip Lock spray. I have a full review on my Instagram, but what I can say is they really did a thing with this spray, and I'm very proud of them. As you can see, I did a test, it did not move, and I had my clients give me a review afterwards. It didn't move. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, please do make sure to stay beautiful. Bye bye.